Welcome to the third and final episode of our month-long trilogy dedicated to Valentine's Day. It's about time we brought this love triangle to a satisfying completion. I am Sir Ricky Bobby, and this one's a panty dropper. But first, we have to take a victory shot. Today's victory shot is symbolic. It is at Valentine's Day that the stupid little f*** with wings, Cupid, shoots innocent lovers with his arrows of lust. The best way I can think of to visually represent such an intrusive ambush is to shoot myself with a little liquid love. That piercing shot will be monkey shoulder. The monkey's off my back. Now pay attention. It's a panty dropper. We're going to use an egg for this drink. Separate the yolk from the white. We're only going to use the white. We're going to shake this drink 3 separate times. We'll do 1 ounce of gin, but first we got to take a shot. Ooh, beautiful. 1 ounce of sloe gin, but first we need to pour ourselves a shot. Not bad. 1 ounce of Creme de Violette. 1 ounce of Luxardo cherry liqueur. 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And this will be our second shake. And when it comes to panty dropping, always add a cherry. Watch out, because it's a panty dropper. Today's word of wisdom is protection. And with mixing a drink like it's a panty dropper, you really need to think about protection. Without this, there's no telling what could end up into my cocktail. You're talking about protection.